Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox character. This time it's gonna be the Roblox Gummy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. And to draw this gummy, we're gonna start out by drawing his eyes first. So it's just gonna be 2 circles. So 1 circle and then come over, draw the same circle. And then on the inside, we'll draw in another circle. Okay, so very simple. And then from here, we're gonna come down and draw his mouth. So right underneath the eye, right in the middle right here, you can come down. You can draw like a little bracket like this first. And then from this bracket right here, on the top, let's draw like a smiley face. And then same thing on the bottom. Alright, so from here, we're gonna draw in the shape of the head. So come out to the side of the eye right here. That's gonna be the width of the head. And then from here, just come down. We'll draw the bottom first. Just kind of wrap around. Taper it in. This is gonna be his neck right here. Okay, and then now from the middle right here, come up. Make a little point, and then this one's just gonna curve and connect to this. Okay, so that's gonna give us the shape of the head on this side, and then on this side, this part is eaten up. So we're gonna come down with just kind of zigzag. Doesn't have to be exactly the same, so just come down with some kind of curve. Go over the eye. And then maybe one more bump here. Alright, so that's the head, and let's move on down to the body, and we're gonna draw in the legs first, the body and the legs first, and then we'll fill in the arms. So from the middle right here on the end, just come down, make 2 little points. So this is gonna be, I guess, the armpit area. And now from here, just bracket all the way down, a little bit wider. Just curve on the bottom, so this is gonna be his foot. And then now just come back up to the middle here and then round it out. Okay, so that's gonna be his leg and body. So now let's come back up and draw in his arm, and let's draw in this one first. Okay, so just curve out. Same thing here. And then right on the tip here, just round it out. Okay, so this one's a little bit trickier because it's gonna be holding the little knife. So same thing here, same as this curve, but we'll stop a little bit short. Okay, so a little bit shorter. And then now just close it off with a straight line. And now we're gonna draw in the handle for the dagger first. So now we'll extend the line. Just round it out, just draw like a little tube. Close it off with a little bit of a slant here. And then right on the top here, we'll turn this into a bar. So just round it out. So that's gonna be the handle, and then for the blade, just go out. And then on the bottom, we'll continue, just curve up. And then now whatever space you have here, just dip it down and connect to the tip. Okay, and then let's go ahead and finish up the hand. So it's just gonna wrap around here. Let's go right behind the handle right there. And then for the details for the knife, we can add in one little line here on the bottom. And then I'm just gonna add 2 little screws here. Alright, so that is it for this Roblox gummy. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.